In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add event calendar in Elementor, free method. By the end, you'll have a clean functional calendar on your WordPress site using free tools, and you'll know exactly how to customize it to match your brand. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Before opening the editor, double check that both Elementor and a free events calendar plugin are installed and activated. If either one isn't active, turn it on now so the calendar widget will be available in Elementor. Next, head to the page or post where you want the calendar to appear and click Edit with Elementor. This opens the visual editor so you can build the layout without touching code. On the left, in the Elementor panel, use the search bar and type Calendar or Events. Look for the Events Calendar widget provided by your Events plugin or an Elementor add-on. If you see more than one option, pick the one that clearly mentions Events, so you get features like categories, lists, and month views. Drag the widget from the panel onto your page canvas and drop it where you want the calendar to live. As soon as you place it, the settings panel will open, usually with tabs like Content, Style, and Advanced. This is where you'll control what the calendar shows and how it looks. Start in the Content area. Choose a preset or layout that fits your design, such as a full month grid or a list of upcoming events. Select the source for your events. Most plugins let you pull in all events or filter by category or tag. If you haven't added events yet, many widgets let you create new events directly from here, which is handy when you're setting things up for the first time. Move to the Style tab to fine-tune the design. Adjust colors, typography, spacing, and borders so the calendar blends with your site. In the settings, set the default view, choose the first day of the week, and pick a time format and time zone that makes sense for your audience. If the widget offers navigation arrows, filters, or search, enable what you need for easier browsing. As you style, keep an eye on readability and contrast for accessibility. When you're happy, click Preview to see it on the front end, then hit Update or Publish. Test the month navigation, click a sample event, and check tablet and mobile views using Elementor's responsive controls. If changes don't show immediately, clear your site and browser cache. That's it. Your free events calendar is live and ready to inform visitors of what's coming next.